Alright, I got two more of these wrestling mystery boxes. If you see these at your Walmart, they're about 20 bucks a piece. I thought they were pretty interesting. So let's see what I got in these last two. Look a little more standardized. See, there's some sort of ball and chips on the bottom, but I've got the Slam Attacks game. Again, not really interested in that. And here we got some cards. These actually look pretty recent. Yeah, I think these are from Divas Revolution. And got a John Cena shirt relic. Got a 2013 Best of WWE. More Nitro cards. Another Rumble pack. Sort of unique Triple H here. So you can actually pop this out. Got a Raw Deal game, not that interested in that. And a pack of 2015 trading cards. Last box. Got our, looks like our Slam Attacks in here again. We have a solid pack here. Let's take a look. Wow, 2009. So these are some, again, you could get some interesting stuff in these boxes. And for 20 bucks, if you see them, I think it's worth it. There's some sort of code cards. For Santino Marella and Molina. But hey, more to go. Looks like they're doubling up on the slam attacks here. Nope, more 2009. This is Chris Jericho bonus card of some sort. Some dog tag. We've got a Sheamus shirt relic. More Best of WWE 2013. And it looks like we are down to our final 2 packs. Oh, 3 packs, excuse me. Cards. 2013. And again, I think these are pretty cool because you're seeing things that you're just not really going to usually see. Your WCW cards. Finally, we've got a pack of 2015 Heritage. Cool looking cards. That's that. So if you like what you see, I encourage you look in your card section at Walmart. This is what they look like. Love to know how these were put together. Thanks for watching.